everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to disable the update. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso toboza kolanda ngai lelo na ko enseigner bino ndenge nini toko disable na biso window na biso. Mo ndenge ezalaka ndeti na bandeti okosala ndeti examen présentation na lobby na laptop. Sikoyo donc bandi osala présentation na yo window na yo bandi ko update bandi changer. Alors oza na besoin lokwa na yela yo te nakolakisa bino yango na window 7 so tolongo na window 7 nakolakisa bino susu ndenge okosala na window 8 na window 10. Okay, alors tokende na biso na window 7 oyo naza kosalela oyo eza host machine na nga na anglais tobenga yango host machine. Okay, alors oyo nakosalela na yango eza virtual machine. Okay, alors na kota na nga na Windows 7 na olakisa bino nyonso tu kuna na kati ya Windows 7. Okay, biloko nyonso tu na kosalela yango awa na Windows 7 oyo eza virtual machine. Oloba na nga Guilherme mpona nini osala virtual machine? Raison nasalela virtual machine eza ke ntango mosusu eloko moko ekoki kosalama ndeti olieke ebebisela nga ordinateur oyo ebebisela nga ordinateur eza te. Alors na kosalela yango awa ndenge na kosalela yango so bino bolandi yango ekesalama pe malamu. Okay, tosalela yango awa sikoyo na kosala nga mot de passe awa. Okay, yango oyo toza na biso awa sikoyo eloko tokosala eloko liboso tokosala avant tosala nini awa tokokende na biso na moni place soki ndeti okomi moni soko ye awa soki kaka na keyboard na yo osifini eplace oyo eza na symbole ya window na r ekebimisela yo oyo. Okay, yango nazoloba donc fina kaka symbole ya window na r ekebimisa yango. Donc symbole on aloba ya window na r so fini yango ekebima. Okay, sikoyo soki ebimi eloko ya liboso tokosala na awa eloko tokosala na biso awa tokokoma na biso oyo tokokoma na biso service tokoma boye. Okay, okay, oyo yango tokokoma tokoklike na biso enter. Okay, omona tokoya awa. Okay, soki toye awa tokoluka eplace oyo bakoma update. Okay, yango tokoluka ya sikoyo tokoya na biso awa tosoluka tokokita na mwasi awa ya awa na mwasi na biso na mwasi awa yango toza nango besoin awa moni awa tokoya awa window update. We click on it, double click on window update. Omoni place oyo bakomi display name window update go tokokota awa tokoki mpe ko disable na biso yango awa. Okay, we disable this, click apply. Okay, click OK. Alright, ale tosisi na biso awa to close na biso. Okay, to soki mpe olingi oye kaka awa right click. Okay, na awa oye awa okoki kozongisa yango automatique okaka olingi ozongisa yango. Okay, alors tokotika na biso yango na disable apply. Okay, and then we close. Alright, après ça sisi na biso tokangi na biso ordinateur na biso sikoyo na olakisa bino na window 8. Okay, na olakisa bino na window 8 sikoyo awa toza na biso na window 8 sikoyo tokotia na biso mot de passe awa na window 8. Oh, tokotia na biso mot de passe awa siko toza na biso na window 8 so to click na biso awa oyo eza window 8 okay oyo toza na eza window 8 sikoyo na window 8 omoni soki ndeti toye na biso omoni awa so to click awa ekozongisa biso place tozalaki awa okay siko window 8 eza ndenge mosusu sikoyo ndeti naloba ndeti omoni na window 8 soki toye awa wana sikoyo na window 8 nde basalela yango eza ndenge moko te na window 7 okay it's completely different. So you know, like when I click search, right? So in window 8 to do that, to let me, yeah. So for example, when I click RW, the way I did, right? So the way I did window R, right? So in window 8 is a little bit different, okay? So in window 8, what we have to do, we can go here, right? We go right here, okay? And we're gonna go right here, see, and then you go here, right? And we're gonna type RUN, okay? Enter. This one we need, okay? And we're gonna type this, okay? And then okay. So we're gonna click here like I did. So we click there, then we're gonna wait. Yep. So we have this one here, and then we're gonna go to we're gonna go here because this one is different. This is window 8, okay? So we're gonna click here, all right? And then from here, when you take a look, we can look at here, look here, right here, okay? And then you look just to show you guys around a little bit. Look here. So when you look at here, you can also do some disable here. You're gonna disable here, okay? You can do that too if you want, but the one we want is, let's see, not here. So if we go down a little bit, down, if we go down, see the window update, this is the one. Click on it, right click on it, okay, right click on it, you go right here, you click on it, and then it's gonna bring us here, the same place we were. You see, display name, window update, and we're gonna click right here, we're gonna go here, right, we're gonna go apply, and we're gonna go okay, all right, and let's see. So when we do that, we're good, and then after that, you can turn you can let's see, you see here, right click on it, you go here, right, and when you go here, you go here, just we leave the way it is, okay? So leave the way it is. The only thing we did, we went to window update, okay? So we went here, we went here, right click, you go here, disable, okay? And if you want to, double click on it, okay, and then you do the same thing with it. So that's how we do it on window 8, okay? So this one is window 8, this one is window 8. Now we're gonna use window 10, okay? So this one is window 10. We're gonna use our password. Okay, we're gonna put our password. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go right here. Okay, or if we want, yeah, so if we go right here, when we're here, we tap this. Okay, we tap this one and enter. So this one we need, and then we're gonna type inside of this service, and then make sure you type the way I'm doing it. Okay, MSC, and then okay. So this is the one we have, and then we're gonna do the same thing. When we click on here, add witness, we click on it, right? When we click on this, or even if you want to right click on it, and then you're gonna see the when we click on it. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. So right click on it, you're gonna come right here. So we're gonna go here, we're just gonna take a look. Okay, here you don't touch anything, just leave the way it is. Now we're gonna go to window update. Okay, that's the one we need. This one, right click on it, you go right here, and you see where it says service name, this one, window update. We're gonna go here and we're gonna put disable, and then we put apply. Okay, and then we're done.